Hello from Her Survival Plan podcast. I am your host, Michelle. In today's episode, we are tackling an often overlooked but essential topic: making rainwater safe to drink in survival situations. We'll discuss the risks involved and the steps you need to take to ensure the water you collect is safe and drinkable. Rainwater is a valuable resource when you're out in the wilderness, or even if you're dealing with a prolonged emergency at home, but don't be fooled into thinking it's safe right off the bat. As it falls, rainwater can pick up all sorts of nasties, pollutants, bacteria, and who knows what else. Once it touches down on a surface like a roof or a tarp, it picks up debris, bird droppings, and other not-so-pleasant substances. So, how do you make that rainwater safe to drink? First off, you need a clean and dedicated collection system. Think food-grade rain barrels or containers with tight-fitting lids. This will help keep out the bigger debris and pests. Avoid using water that runs off roofs made of asphalt or treated wood because those materials can leach harmful chemicals into your water. Once you've collected the rainwater, the next step is filtering. You'll want to use a reliable water filter, one that can handle bacteria, protozoa, and possibly even viruses. Filtering helps remove larger particles and sediment that you definitely don't want in your drink. Before I move on, don't wait to get started. Grab your survival checklist today and take the first step toward your plan. Go to hersurvivalplan.com and download it instantly. Now, filtering alone might not do the trick. For added safety, you'll want to treat the water. Use purification tablets, a small amount of unscented chlorine bleach, or just boil it if you have the means. Purifying the water adds a layer of safety, ensuring that any bacteria or viruses left behind after filtering are dealt with. In some places, rainwater might already be pretty safe right out of the gate, especially if you're collecting it directly from the sky into a clean container. But my advice? Always err on the side of caution. Proper collection, filtering, and treatment ensure that your rainwater source is reliable and safe, especially when you need it the most. That is it for today's episode. Stay safe out there, and remember, proper preparation is key. I'm Michelle, and I'll catch you next time.